Today I'm putting together a simple frame for runner beans. This gives the plants something to climb as they grow. For this you'll need some 8-foot bamboo canes or any other strong sticks like hazel poles, some twine and some scissors. They want to be about 2 feet distance between the canes. Push around a foot into the ground. Tie your canes together. Place your next pair of canes about 1 foot to 1.5 feet in distance from the first cane. Tie the second pair of canes together in the same way as the first. Keep going until you have as many pairs of canes as you would like. The next thing to do is to add a cane through all of the crossed over canes at the top to join them together. Add canes diagonally to provide extra support and make sure they feel secure. It's a really simple structure but works well every year. That's my A-frame done. Plant 2 beans at the base of each pole or start indoors. Thanks for watching.